Dreaming of a career in digital marketing? It's one of the most in-demand skills today, offering endless opportunities to grow and succeed. In this video, I'll guide you through the essential steps to craft a thriving digital marketing career, whether you're just starting or looking to level up. Let's dive in. The digital marketing industry is booming, offering countless opportunities for individuals to build thriving careers. From social media campaigns to search engine optimization, digital marketing encompasses a wide range of skills that businesses rely on to grow in the online world. If you're passionate about creativity, data-driven strategies, and connecting with audiences, a career in digital marketing might be the perfect fit. Here's a step-by-step guide to crafting a successful digital marketing career and thriving in this competitive but rewarding industry. 1. Understanding the digital marketing landscape. Before diving into a digital marketing career, it's essential to understand the industry's vast and dynamic nature. Digital marketing is not limited to one platform or strategy. It covers various channels, including social media, email, search engines, content marketing, influencer partnerships, and paid advertising. Each channel requires specific skills and approaches, making digital marketing a field with endless learning opportunities. Take time to research the core components of digital marketing. Explore how brands use SEO to rank on Google, why email marketing remains effective, and how social media drives engagement. By gaining a holistic understanding of the field, you'll be better equipped to identify where your interests and strengths align. 2. Developing the right skills. Success in digital marketing demands a combination of technical and soft skills. Some of the key technical skills include SEO, data analytics, content creation, social media management, and paid advertising. On the other hand, soft skills such as creativity, communication, adaptability, and problem-solving are equally important. Enroll in online courses or attend workshops to build expertise in essential tools like Google Analytics, HubSpot, and SEMrush. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer affordable and in-depth courses tailored to beginners and advanced learners. The more skilled and knowledgeable you become, the greater your chances of standing out in the competitive job market. 3. Building a strong foundation. Once you've developed a basic understanding of digital marketing, it's time to create a foundation for your career. Start by building your portfolio. Offer your services to small businesses, nonprofits, or personal connections for free or at a discounted rate. This experience will help you practice your skills and showcase your capabilities to potential employers or clients. Document your work by including metrics and outcomes to highlight the impact of your strategies. For example, if you managed a social media campaign, include data showing an increase in followers, engagement, or conversions. A well-documented portfolio can make a significant difference when applying for jobs or freelance gigs. 4. Gaining hands-on experience. Nothing beats real-world experience when it comes to mastering digital marketing. Internships are a great way to gain practical knowledge and build industry connections. Seek opportunities at agencies, startups, or established brands to get first-hand exposure to how campaigns are executed and managed. Freelancing is another excellent way to gain experience while maintaining flexibility. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect digital marketers with clients worldwide. Freelancing not only helps you build your portfolio, but also teaches you time management, client communication, and how to handle multiple projects simultaneously. 5. Staying updated with industry trends. The digital marketing world evolves rapidly. Algorithms change, new platforms emerge, and consumer behavior shifts constantly. To stay relevant, you must keep up with industry trends and updates. Follow blogs like HubSpot, Neil Patel, and Moz to stay informed about SEO changes, marketing strategies, and case studies. Subscribe to newsletters and join communities on LinkedIn or Reddit, where marketers discuss the latest developments. The more you immerse yourself in the industry, the better equipped you'll be to adapt and innovate. 6. Specializing in a niche. While it's beneficial to have a general understanding of digital marketing, specializing in a niche can make you a sought-after expert. Niches such as influencer marketing, e-commerce strategies, B2B lead generation, or mobile advertising have high demand. By focusing on one area, you can refine your skills and charge premium rates for your services. Identify niches that align with your interests and have growing demand. For example, if you're passionate about social media, consider specializing in Instagram or TikTok marketing. If you love analyzing data, SEO or PPC advertising might be your calling. Specialization sets you apart from generalists and allows you to command a unique position in the market. 7. Leveraging networking opportunities. Networking plays a critical role in advancing your digital marketing career. Attend industry conferences, webinars, and meetups to connect with professionals in the field. Platforms like LinkedIn are invaluable for building relationships with recruiters, colleagues, and industry leaders. Engaging with online communities can also help you learn from others' experiences and gain insights into emerging trends. Share your knowledge, participate in discussions, and offer value to your network. These connections can lead to job offers, collaborations, and mentorship opportunities. 8. Pursuing certifications. Certifications are a great way to validate your skills and stand out in a competitive job market. Many organizations offer industry-recognized certifications, such as Google Ads, Facebook Blueprint, and HubSpot Inbound Marketing. These certifications not only enhance your credibility, but also show potential employers or clients that you're committed to professional growth. Focus on certifications that align with your career goals. For example, if you're interested in paid advertising, Google Ads and Facebook Ads certifications are excellent choices. For email marketing enthusiasts, HubSpot's email marketing certification can boost your expertise and confidence. 9. Creating a personal brand. In digital marketing, your personal brand is your most valuable asset. Establishing a strong online presence can showcase your expertise and attract opportunities. Start by creating a professional website or blog where you share insights, case studies, or tutorials. Social media platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram are also great for building your brand. Share industry news, post engaging content, and interact with your audience to position yourself as a thought leader. A strong personal brand can open doors to collaborations, partnerships, and career growth. 10. Scaling your career. As you gain experience and confidence, focus on scaling your career to the next level. If you're employed, aim for leadership roles by showcasing your impact on business goals. Highlight achievements like driving website traffic, increasing conversion rates, or managing successful campaigns. For freelancers or entrepreneurs, consider expanding your offerings by hiring a team or collaborating with other professionals. Diversify your services, build long-term client relationships, and set ambitious goals to grow your business. A successful digital marketing career requires a combination of skills, passion, and persistence. By understanding the landscape, building your expertise, and staying adaptable, you can thrive in this dynamic field. Whether you choose to specialize in a niche or become a versatile generalist, the opportunities in digital marketing are limitless. With dedication and the right strategies, you can craft a career that's both fulfilling and impactful in the ever-evolving digital world. Ready to kickstart your digital marketing journey? Visit our website at wetransformacademyhub.com or check the link in the description for expert resources and guidance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.